That smells like autumn.
If you love autumn scents and love fun activities to do with your kids and grandkids, you're gonna love this DIY scented pine cone recipe.
Your kids are gonna love hunting for those pine cones.
My daughters, Gloria and Ruth, had a blast with me picking out pine cones. So let's show you how to make it. You'll grab your recipe box, and this is a super simple recipe. Grab your labels and recipe card. And from our recipe box, we're going to be using coffee and cinnamon essential oil, along with blood orange to add a little bit of citrus to the smell.
That's gonna smell amazing.
Next, you're gonna go on an adventure to find some pine cones, or you can pick some up at your local craft store.
So Katie and I just got back from finding pine cones.
And what we're going to do is wash them because we don't want any fun little critters hanging out in there to come into our homes. So we are going to fill a bucket half full with water and vinegar and let them sit there for a bit. Then we'll take them out of there and put them in the oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes to an hour to let them dry out. When they're wet, they'll become really closed. And when they're dry, they will be light and open, and that's how you know that they are ready. All right, so our pine cones are ready out of the oven, and we are going to next put these in a jar or other sealable container. You can also use a bag with our essential oils to help them absorb those oils to become naturally scented. All right, to our pine cones, we're gonna add 5 drops of coffee, 5 drops of cinnamon, and 20 drops of blood orange. We'll seal our jar and shake it up to get those essential oils all over those pine cones. All right, so now that our essential oils are all added to our pine cones, we're gonna let this sit for at least 1 day. You can do it longer than that as well, so that those essential oils really absorb into the pine cones. Once your pine cones are ready, you can add them to other potpourri or put them in a jar. You can also have fun drying your own orange slices and adding other spices to it to make your own potpourri. And it smells so good. We can't wait to see your version of this recipe, so make sure to tag Simply Earth in any of your social media posts where you make this.
Don't forget to head to simplyearth.com and hit that subscribe now button.
If you love using essential oils to make your home less toxic, you are gonna love our recipe box. Thanks for watching.
See you later. Your kids are gonna love hunting for those pine cones.
Gloria and Ruth had a blast. Those are my daughters.
My daughter's Gloria and Ruth.